Do you realize that often narcissists and highly sensitive people are like toxic magnets? HSPs attract narcissists because we offer them empathy, people-pleasing, and somebody who doesn't have boundaries. And that is very, very interesting to narcissists because they have a person that they can abuse in whichever way they want. So really reflect on that dance that is going on in that moment. Somebody who likes to control, somebody who likes to diminish, somebody who wants all the power in the room, and a person who would do anything to please and be loved. It's the perfect match. Unfortunately, for the highly sensitive person, it's a very high price to pay. Reflect carefully whether you're willing to pay that price.